Today I want to talk to you about restrictive covenants, rights-of-ways, and easements that may be on your property. A right-of-way allows a person to cross property to get to another property. The dominant landowner is the person with the right-of-way on their property, and the subservient landowner is the landowner who uses the right-of-way to get to their property. Now, to make sure that you have access to a right-of-way, or to find out if you're stuck with a right-of-way on your property, the right-of-way has to be registered on both properties. If you have a right-of-way on your property, you cannot bar a person from using that right-of-way. If you put up a gate and lock it, you have to provide a key to the other landowner so that they're not prevented from using the right-of-way. An easement is somewhat similar to a right-of-way. An easement is usually owned by a utility company, not always, but usually, and it gives them the right to use that land if they need it for their purposes. So if you happen to plant a row of trees on that easement, the hydro company or the gas company needs it to plant their cables or their piping, they have every right to remove your trees. And heaven forbid you have an easement that goes right through the middle of your property and you happen to put in a swimming pool. The reason why I bring this to your attention is that the standard real estate agreement at paragraph 10 says that you will get title to a property you purchase free of encumbrances like mortgages, registered lines of credit, or secured lines of credit, work orders, construction liens. But it also says that you will take subject to liens and rights of way. The only way you can be sure or to know whether or not there's an easement or right-of-way on your property is to make sure you do a title search, have your lawyer do a title search to determine. Now, if you sign the agreement without giving your lawyer an opportunity to review that first, then you're going to be stuck with the property with the easements and rights of way. If you have any more questions or concerns about this topic, you can find us at therealrealestateguy.ca. And again, although our offices are located in Oakville, we're happy to come out to see you if you have mobility issues and for shut-ins.